Welcome to Technical Design section. In the next few minutes, you will understand about system architecture, application architecture, Java package organization, and some UML diagrams like class diagram, activity diagram, and sequence diagram. The first three slides help you visualize how the system is structured and deploy in production environment, and the last three slides guide you how to implement the functionalities of the website in terms of email diagrams. This picture illustrates the system architecture. It shows how the system is deployed and operating in production environment. As you can see, the customers use web browser